Hey guys, so if you guys saw on my community page that I made Lenny, the 3D printed model. His wind up thing broke off, but I'm not gonna do that right now on video. Maybe if I just like hold it for a few seconds, like this. Yeah, maybe like, I don't know. It's supposed to be like this. I can't remember. Alright, but yeah. So if you look on the inside, he has googly eyes. They're kind of small, so I have a bigger and more googly eyes. So what we're just gonna do is a little custom mod that my man today I grew up did. So I think these googly eyes will fit perfectly on him. But what we're gonna do first is take these googly eyes off. Maybe I could just like almost got it. Use one of the tools I have. Oh, that was easy. This one's like stuck. All I did was use Elmo's glue. I don't know why it's so stuck. There we go. So I'm gonna see what these fit in. It's a little small. I'm gonna see if there's like another size. If not, then we're just gonna have to improvise with those. Ugh. And if you guys could look, I have some new shelves for my Toy Story stuff. So I also got some Sonic stuff, but mostly it's Toy Story. Babyface, he's not done yet, so I'm gonna work on him when I'm done with this video. But yeah, I can't find any other googly eyes that will fit in here, but we'll just see how it looks. You can see there's a difference. Like that one is smaller than the other. But yeah. I want to put like a tiny drop of soup glue on these so then it's more sturdy and they stay on longer. And well, if you guys have a 3D printer and it's multicolor, you could 3D print this piece red. I had to paint it, so it's kind of ugly. And I painted, colored with a Sharpie on the inside, so it's like more accurate. Just want to make sure it's nice and firm in there. Then we want to get the other one. It looks good already. Like, some super glue on here. And boom, Lenny's done. So I don't have anything to compare with Lenny, but if you go on Thingiverse and search up Lenny, Toy Story Lenny, I'll probably put a link in the comments below if you guys want to get it. It's free on Thingiverse. It's in pieces, so you're gonna have to like put it together. But I think it'll be more easy because you have to have these in colors. Like I had all this in color. I had the wind up piece in color. I had this back piece in color. I had this piece in color. I didn't have these ones in color because I don't have orange filament. All I did was spray painted it printed gray, and then spray painted it orange. So yeah, see you guys.